so we have a 14-year-old female athlete here. We are adjusting her from a sports preventative standpoint. She's very active, and the big thing for her is making sure from a biomechanical standpoint, she has very good motion of her hips into her lower extremity as she is a soccer player. But more importantly, making sure that, again, the lumbar, the thoracic, and the cervical areas in her spine are well adjusted. There's no impingement on any of the nerves. There's no inflammation or irritation of those areas as well. This allows her to execute, have increased reaction times on the field, and also her recovery and her performance can also be improved when she's well adjusted.